The scale of this whole thing, it's just staggering. According to the International Federation of Robotics, the market for these robot installations has already exploded to $16.7 billion. This isn't just some new product, it's a massive shift in our economy and how we work. Okay, but as these amazing machines start becoming a normal part of our lives, we have to face a question that goes way beyond just the technology. How do we build a real relationship of trust with them? How can we be absolutely sure they've had our best interests at heart? So, how do we do it? How do we build that trust? Thankfully, we are not starting from scratch here. Researchers and ethicists are already piecing together a blueprint, a set of principles to guide us. Let's break down what that actually looks like. Research from Maynooth University has basically boiled it down to 4 key pillars. For us to see a robot as trustworthy, it has to be transparent, so we get what it's doing. It needs to be accountable, so there's a clear line of responsibility. It has to be an effective communicator, so we can interact with it naturally. And this is a fascinating one, it needs to know how to apologize. Transparency, in this case, really just means predictability. A robot you can trust doesn't make you guess what it's going to do next. It gives clear, logical reasons for its actions, so we always understand the what and the why. It's all about getting rid of the mystery and building a solid foundation of understanding. So what does that actually look like? Well, imagine a robot in a care home. To build trust, it would use very human-like cues, a simple nod, a soft good morning, or even making simulated eye contact. These are small gestures, right? But they signal that it's engaged, it's attentive. It's about making the robot feel less like a tool and more like a partner. And this is where it gets really, really interesting. In this framework, even mistakes become these little opportunities to build trust. Researchers suggest that if a robot spills your coffee, it shouldn't just silently clean it up. It should actually admit its error and activate an apology sequence. I mean, wow. This shows the robot isn't just programmed to be functional, but to be an accountable and respectful partner. That is a huge shift in how we think about our relationship with machines. But here's the thing. Building trustworthy robots? That's only half the equation. Because trust, as we all know, is a two-way street. And that brings us to the final, and maybe the most important, part of this whole story. Our role in this new future. So, as engineers are busy designing robots that are transparent, accountable, communicative, and even apologetic, the ultimate challenge really falls to us. Are we ready to meet them halfway? Are we willing to learn how to trust these new partners? The answer isn't just going to shape our automated future. It's going to reveal a lot about our own capacity for trust. The future is coming, and it's really up to us to decide what kind of relationship we want with the intelligent machines that are going to share it with us.